what up, y'all? Welcome back to my shadowing video, bro. I really appreciate y'all for watching this video. Ain't nobody watching this small, Japanese, YouTube channel, but you watching this. So I really appreciate y'all. I'm gonna continue with this casual Japanese shit, you know what I'm saying? So as usual, let's do a little shadowing practice with the very casual Japanese sentence that I've created. So first off, I'll repeat it 3 times. Listen closely and then repeat after me. I'm trying to copy the tone unwritten. I will say the first 2 slowly and the last one normal Japanese speed. 今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。Did y'all get it? So the meaning of this sentence is that today is sunny, so maybe I will go to the pool or something. Let's break this down. So the 晴れてる means it's sunny, but the original word is 晴れる means to be clear or to be sunny. When we are talking about something that's happening right now at this moment, like it's being sunny. So in that case, we put て to a verb. For example, 食べる to eat. 食べてる I'm eating right now at this moment. Or as a current habit. So it's a like continuous form. So this 晴れてる is a continuous form of 晴れる means it's sunny right now. It's being sunny. 晴れてる And then から晴れてるからから means because. A lot of y'all remember this as a because, but I'm actually giving an advice to my students to remember this as a so, because it fits better with English. Because 晴れてるから is like it's sunny so. After から there's a プールにでも. This one is a little tricky. プール is obviously just a Japanglish pronunciation of pool, right? This に is a direction particle. So to the pool. And then demo. So what this demo is doing, demo in this case, it's about a soft suggestion. Something like or something or maybe. So when we put it together, プールにでも means to the pool or something. And then after that, I said 行こっかな. This 行こ is from the verb 行く means to go. But this 行こ is I don't know the official name for this, like form. But it's like, let's go, 行こ So it's a let's go, 行こ行こっかな itself is a more casual version of 行こうかな Kana is adding like the vibe of like maybe or like I wonder. 行こうかな But in a more casual way, 行こうかな means I think I'll go. Maybe I'll go. So this one is very useful. So right now, y'all know what these words, each words mean. Well, let's review real quick. 今日は means today. 晴れてるから means it's sunny. So プールにでも maybe to the pool 行こっかな I think I'll go. Today is sunny. So I think I'll go to the pool or something. Hey, before we end this video, let's practice this one more time, bro. Maybe I will say 1 time slowly and 2 times fast, like as in real life speed. 今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。Nice. Okay. I'll do that right now. I'll do that real speed, real Japanese speed, bro. 今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。Okay, close. I will start with 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's do it. 3, 2, 1. 今日は晴れてるからプールにでも行こっかな。That was pretty difficult. But yeah, I can do it. Yeah, I can do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's not give up. Practice this, multiple times. So y'all be able to say this to your Japanese friends. You know what I'm saying? Thank you very much for watching this video. And see you in the next one.